We are going to play a game called Clap and Wait. There are only 2 rules in this game. Rule number 1 is that you're going to watch and count the number of claps and waits that I do. You're going to use your self-talk, or you can count in your head to remember how many claps and how many waits I do. Rule number 2 is that you don't get your turn until I say ready, set, go. So you have to practice your patience and you have to wait for me to say go. And then you get to do exactly what I did, the same number of claps and the same number of waits. Are you ready to try this? Okay. Clap. Wait. Clap. Ready. Set. Go. Okay, let's try again. Clap, clap, wait, wait, clap, clap, wait, wait. Ready, set, go. Clap, wait, clap, wait, clap, wait. Ready, set, go. Good. Clap, 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 wait, clap, 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 wait, clap, 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 wait. Ready, set, go. The longer I wait to say go, is it more challenging for you to remember how many claps and how many waits?
Sort of.
Who has a good strategy that they're using that you could share with the class? Maggie, what are you doing that's helping you remember?
Listening and looking.
Listening and looking. Good. What are you doing, Finian?
I'm counting how much you're doing. Like I'm doing clap, clap, wait, wait, clap, clap, wait, wait in my head, so I know how much you're doing.
So you
And
keep
what
saying
you're
it in your
doing.
head until I say go? You keep saying it over in your head? Okay, let's keep trying.